In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a EBT card onto Amazon. The first thing you want to do is you want to log into Amazon, then you want to go to the top right and select on Hello Account and List. Then you will then be brought to a page that looks like this. Go ahead and select on the option that does say your payment. Once you're over here, you want to go ahead and press on Add a Payment Method. And then you're going to get a screen that looks like this, and all you want to do is you want to go ahead and scroll all the way down, and then over here you will actually see the option to add your EBT card. So all you want to do is you want to press on add a EBT card right over here, and then what you need to do is you need to enter in the name on your card, and you also need to go ahead and enter in your card number as well. So be very careful when you enter in this information and make sure that it is 1000% correct. And after you add your EBT card as a method of payment, you can go ahead and use it to purchase groceries or stuff like that. So let's say, for example, you wanted to go ahead and purchase some like Whole Foods on Amazon. Then all you need to do is you need to look up Whole Foods, or basically whatever type of grocery you want. It can be like any type of produce or anything like that. And also, whenever you are browsing, just make sure that it does say Snap EBT eligible, because that is the only way that you're able to use your EBT card. So look for items that have that. For example, this chicken actually does have it. So let's just go ahead and just select on it like so. Then we can go ahead and press on add to cart. And whenever you do go ahead and check it out, make sure that you use your EBT card as a method of payment. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.